Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the num lock in your laptops using Windows 10 or 11. So here I'm already on my laptop, and to enable the num lock you need to use the on-screen keyboard on your laptop. So let's go to the Windows here first and just search for the apps on-screen keyboard. This one's right here. Okay, so the on-screen keyboard has been opened, and as you guys can see here, the current setting is off, so the numlock is off. So what you need to do is click on options in here, and there will be an option to turn on the numeric keypad. So click on this checkbox, click on OK, and now the num lock is turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, click on option again and uncheck this box. Now click on OK. So that's pretty easy. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.